In this video, you'll learn how to add guests in Notion. By following these steps, you'll be able to invite others to collaborate on your workspace effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage with options to sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Next, locate your profile space. This is typically found in the top left corner of the screen, represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu. You should see various options appear, including settings, which you will need to select next. After that, in the drop-down menu, click on settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your account settings. Look for the account section on the left side of the screen and click on it to continue. Once on the account page, find the workspace option in the sidebar and select it. This will bring you to the workspace settings where you can manage members and permissions within your Notion workspace. Now, click on People in the left sidebar. This section will display all current members of your workspace. To invite guests, you will need to locate the Guests section, which is typically located beneath the list of current members. After locating the Guests section, click on it. If you have not yet added any guests, you will see a prompt stating no guests yet. Click on this message to proceed to the next step. Next, click on Import Contacts. This option will allow you to invite guests from various platforms. A new window will appear, prompting you to choose an import method. Click on Import From. In the import options, you will see choices such as Slack, Google, and Microsoft. Click on Slack if you want to invite contacts from there. If you prefer to use another platform, select that option instead. Following that, you will be prompted to select Google or Microsoft, depending on your previous choice. Click on the respective option to continue the invitation process. Once you have chosen your platform, click on Add Members. This will allow you to input the email addresses of the guests you wish to invite, type or paste in the email addresses, separating them with commas. Next, click on Select Role to assign roles to the guests you are inviting. Choose from the available options based on the level of access you want to grant them. After assigning roles, click on Send Invite to dispatch the invitations to your guests. This action will initiate the invitation process, and you will receive a confirmation message once the invites are sent successfully. Finally, click on Close to exit the invitation window. You will return to the main People section where you can see the status of your invitations. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.